Guangdong Egood Partition Products Company Limited, located in Foshan, China, as a national high-tech enterprise. It is a professional manufacturer engaged in development, sales, production, and after-sales service of manual and automatic movable partition wall and office glass partition system. The products are extensively applied to exhibition and convention center, banquet hall, hotel meeting room, restaurant, office, and other commercial area, which providing convenient and effective space management solution. Highest panel can be up to 20 meters. Maximum sound insulation can up to 56 decibels and maximum 3 hours fire resistance. We own 2 modern production bases, which occupies 10,000 square meters, equipped with all advanced production machines and high-efficiency operation tools. We research all products independently with all of its intellectual property and manufacturing technology. We have been certified SGS product certification, ASTM acoustical test, fire test, and ISO 9001 quality system certification, and participated in compiling work of Partition Wall Atlas with China Building Standards Design and Research Institute. With over 25 years of experience in interior engineering projects, we have exported over 100 countries, among which 200 5-star hotels completed, and enjoyed good reputation in the past years. Diligent, creative, space is our business philosophy. We aim to offer the excellent customized products and service to satisfy every single customer. We're looking forward to have win-win cooperation with you soon.